Hello everyone, Bentley here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to be trying out this new, I don't know if it's new. It's new to me. Hard Candy, Glitteratzi, Glitter and Chrome Eyeshadow Duo. That's a lot to remember. Anyways, it's got a dark chrome at one end and then a glitter at the other end. So, that's what we're going to be putting on our eyes. And I am going to put on my Essence Eye Base first, because I think it makes it pop that much more. I have already swatched these, and I will swatch them again for you right now. Because I swatched them the other day when I got them, and I'm glad I did, because it seems like the light end of them is real sheer. I think you're supposed to put it over the top. And that's what we're going to do. Because that's what I decided would look the best. So I'm just going to blend this in real quick. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. This is the one we're going to do today. And this one is called Aurora Skies. This is the dark end of it, and it's actually purple. It looks like dark brown, but it's actually purple. I don't know if you can tell that it's purple, but it is. Okay, now I'm going to put the lighter color, and I'm going to put some of it over the top and some of it by itself so you can see what I'm talking about, how they seem like they're supposed to go over the top. You can see how sheer it gets, and it actually kind of took off the darker color, didn't it? Anyway, that's how that looks. Hopefully it looks better on the eye. This one is called Earthly Vibes. This one's pretty too, but I thought we would do the pinky one. Because I'm wearing a pink shirt. It's kind of patchy when I spread it out. Hopefully it's not that way on my eye. This is the one that was super sheer. But it does take off the darker color where you put it over it. Can you see it? Ooh, cover my face. And we have this one. This is the one that I thought was the prettiest. Mad About Mars. I guess maybe you're not supposed to spread it out. But I was hoping it was like the Charlotte Tilbury where you could just take a brush and pull it up. That was my idea. Oh. And then the other half of this Mad About Mars, is, I think I'll just put it next to it since it seems to take it off. See how sheer it is though, without it? Anyway, we're going to try the pink and purple one. They're very pretty. I'm just not sure they're as good as I want them to be. Because I wanted them to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. Because I think I'm going to buy some more of those when Sephora has their, I thought they were supposed to have it in April, but I haven't heard anything about it. Their sale. Okay, what did I do with it? Oh, here it is. I think I'm just going to take the dark color first. And I'm going to see, let me get my brush ready. if I can do that where I pull it up like I do with the Charlotte Tilbury. Here it is. So let's see if we can do that. I keep turning that around the wrong way. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but I got to work fast. So I'm going to put this on my lid. Real quick. And then I'm going to take this brush and see if I can... Oh, that was bad. Pull it up. Where it sets. Yeah, I don't know if this is a good idea with this one. Because it sets really fast. But hopefully I can go back and get that off where I just went too far in. Oh yeah, it came off. Clean up these edges a little. Well, that side didn't clean up as well. What do you think? Looks like I got a black eye, huh? That's okay, I can use concealer and fix it. Maybe I won't put quite as much on this eye. It definitely wants to settle in the wrinkles and dry there. So you gotta definitely spread it out and get it all the way in there while it's wet. Yeah, I wouldn't say this is one to do that with because it's pretty hard to work with. Let's see how it looks when we put the other color on top. Hopefully it'll lighten it up a little bit. Otherwise, we're just going to go underneath and smoke it out, which is not really what I was going for today. Not really. Looks like we're going to be smoking this one out. Where's my brush? Oh great, I've lost it. Here it is. Yep, I think I'm just going to put that light color all the way across the lid. Ah! It's the wrong brush. Well, that's pretty. Let's just put a little bit underneath and kind of smoke it out. Now, I'm not going to use this wand to do it with because it's way too much. I am going to use a flat brush. Actually, I think I'm going to use this. So I'm just going to get a little of this dark color on here and put it on the bottom. So this is kind of a festival look, I think. Now I'm going to take a smudgy brush and just kind of blend that edge a little bit. Yeah, I'm not sure this is going to be appropriate for my age. But it's fun, and I'm not going anywhere. If I was going to Coachella, this would be the definite thing to do. Okay, I think I'm going to take a little of this sparkle side and put it on the bottom too. I think I'll use that smudgy brush that I was using. Just put a little bit right on top of that darkness. Because more is more, right? There's a lot of glitter in this. So hopefully it stays where it is. So far it is. I haven't gotten any in my eye because that's my problem with glitter. I get it in my eyes, they turn red. My eyes turn red every time I put on makeup, but they really turn red when they get glitter in them. Oh, somebody asked me about this fingernail polish, what color it is. It is Red Carpet, something manicure. I got it at Ulta. And this color is Trendiest of Them All, number 663. I think it's pretty too. Okay, I'm going to go in with some liner and lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look of the day. I decided to turn it into festival makeup. This is Mature Skin Festival Makeup. See my little, I've got a star and a heart. I got these at Walmart a while back because it was festival season. It is festival season. And they're just little stamps. One's a star and one's a heart. And this is the first chance I had to wear them. I actually almost forgot about them. But then when this eyeshadow turned out so dark and festival-y, I decided, oh, I can use those stamps. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. All I did when I went off was put on liner and lashes. And I just put mascara, not lashes. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!